Hello. So, hello everyone. Today I have came with a new project that I built recently. It's named Pokedex, and it's built using JavaFX. So, the you all might have heard about Pokedex. Pokedex is a JavaFX application that I built. It is mainly a digital encyclopedia. So, those of you who have not heard about Pokemons, you might give a search on YouTube and get more information about that. It's an anime. You might say that it's a dictionary about the Pokemons. You can search anything about Pokemons, their details, more or less. Key features that I this is a demo dashboard. You see here there are cards, the Pokemon cards. You can see Bulbasaur or many other Pokemons like Charmeleon. There are about 800 of them, and if you click the details button in any of the Pokemon, you will see a page like this, and key key details, key strengths, or whatever information that I have about a Pokemon reserved in my database that is being showed. And along with that, I have a features button from which you can just uh, keep your Pokemons which are your favorite. You can click the favorite buttons, and that will be displayed there. Along with that, I have a search option. You can search for Pokemons in search bar, and you will get your desired results. So main thing that I have to, first of all, I think I should give a demo about how is it. Then I would like to say you about the installation processes or usages. So the application, let me run it. So this is the application. You see there are about 30 Pokemons. I have done a bit. I told you earlier that there are about 800 Pokemons. So I have done a bit pagination because it takes a lot of time loading all of the Pokemons at the same time. So pagination made it a bit more faster than ever. So you can go to the next page like this. If you go to down, you go to the next page again, and you also can go to the previous pages as well. So let's say you want to let's go to the favorite page, and let's unfavorite these things. You need to reload the page again. So you see it's gone. Let's go to the home page. If you want to make any of the Pokemon favorite, like this one, just click on the favorite button and it will be done. Let's go to next page. Let's make this Pikachu a favorite, and done. Now if you want to see all the favorites, go to the favorites tab. You see they're being displayed very quickly. Now among the 800 Pokemons, if you just want to search something, you can search you can search about the types of the Pokemons and the names. So let's search let's say we want to search Pikachu, but I don't know the names exactly. So let me say I write Ika. You see similar items that have Ika in them. Let's see, Pikachu has Ika in it. Magikarp, it has Ika in it. So these are being displayed. So if you're going to go back in the home page, just click home and you will get there. So that's all about the Pokemon Pokedex. If you want to know more about it, and if you want to contribute, you'll get the GitHub link in description. So please visit that. And if you want to develop it, or if you want to just simply run it like me that I run in my local system, so you need to clone the GitHub, and then at the very first you need to just uh, set up MySQL in your local system. And I have a CSV file already there, so you need to just implement the CSV file on your MySQL. You just need to import it, and that's done. And that way you can just run the application and it will work. But before that, you need to set up JavaFX on your system also, so keep that in mind.